Basic Machine Learning Aptitude Question and Answers. What is the field of study that gives the computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed? Machine learning. What are the major types of machine learning? Supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, semi-supervised machine learning, and reinforcement learning. What are the basic types of supervised machine learning techniques? Regression and classification. What are the basic types of unsupervised machine learning techniques? Clustering and association. What type of data would you use for supervised machine learning? Labeled training data. What are the types of reinforcement? Positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement, punishment and extension reinforcement. What is the difference between test data and training data? Training set is implemented to build up a model while a test set is to validate a model. Which learning mimics the network of neurons in a brain? Artificial neural network. What is perceptron? Perceptron is a mathematical model of biological neuron. What are the layers in neural network? It has three layers: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. What is deep learning or also called deep neural network? Name commonly used machine learning algorithm: linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, support vector machine, naive Bayes, k-nearest neighbor, k-means clustering, random forest, dimensionality reduction algorithm, gradient boosting, and AdaBoost. What are the two types of linear regression? Simple regression and multiple regression. Which machine learning algorithm is used to estimate discrete values? Logistic regression, which is a classification algorithm. What are the types of nodes in decision trees? There are three types of nodes in decision tree. They are chance node, decision node, and end node. How chance node is represented in decision tree? Circle. What is the difference between k nearest neighbor and k means clustering? K nearest neighbor is a supervised classification algorithm used for classification and regression problem. K means clustering is an unsupervised algorithm used for clustering. Who invented machine learning? Arthur Samuel. Which chart is used for visualizing the linear relationship between two variables? Scatter plot. What are the types of artificial neural networks currently being used in machine learning? Feed-forward neural network, radial basis function neural network, coherent self-organizing neural network, recurrent neural network, convolutional neural network, and modular neural network. Thank you.